Here we have a problem on honors algebra 2. Okay, let's go to the question. Confirm that the functions f of x equals to 2 over 3 times x negative 2 and g of x equals to 3 over 2 times x positive 3 are inverses by proving that both f dot g and g dot f are equal to x. Okay, so first I have to find the result of f dot g, it must be equal to x, and then I have to find the result of g dot f, that also must be x. So when I get x as a result for both f dot g and g dot f, I can prove that the two functions f of x and g of x are inverses to each other. Okay, first let's find f dot g. So f dot g means actually whenever we have dot between two functions, it's called composition of two functions. And the result, the formula to find composition of two functions is equal to f of g of x. Okay, here f of, and for g of x we know the stuff that is 3 over 2 times x positive 3. So we can plug in this stuff for g of x over here. Then I'm getting 3 over 2 times x positive 3. Okay, we know that f of x equals to 2 third of x negative 2, but instead of x, what do we have over here? We have 3 over 2 times x positive 3. So we have to replace the x in the function f of x by this stuff 3 over 2 times x positive 3. So that means on the right side, particularly in the expression, this x has to be replaced by this stuff. So let me do it. So 2 over 3 times 3 over 2 times x positive 3 negative 2. So here we have x. So we have 2/3 is multiplied by x. But instead of x, we have an expression over here. So I'm taking the same expression, but I just replace the x by the stuff what I have over here. Okay, now let's simplify this one. So for that, I have to distribute this 2 over 3 to this one and this one. So when I distribute this 2 over 3 to this one, I'm getting 2 over 3 times 3 over 2 times x positive. When I distribute this 2 over 3 to this 3, it will be 2 over 3 times 3 negative 2. So this 3 will cancel out, and here 2 will cancel out, and 3 will cancel out. So I'm just getting x. Here I just have positive 2 and negative 2. So positive 2 negative 2 will become 0. So I'm getting x. So I got the result of f dot g, that is x. Okay, now what I need to do is I have to find the result of g dot f. So g dot f means this is also a composition of two functions. So the formula for this one is g of f of x. Okay, so g of, already we know the stuff for f of x. So f of x equals to 2/3 of x negative 2. So we can plug in the stuff for this f of x over here. So when I do so, I'll be getting 2/3 of x negative 2. And we know that g of x equals to 3 over 2 times x positive 3. But at the place of x, what do we have over here? So we have 2/3 of x negative 2. So we can plug in this stuff for this x. So let me do it. So 3 over 2 times for this x, we have to plug in the stuff we have over here. So 2/3 of x negative 2 positive 3. Okay, now we can distribute this 3 over 2 to this one. Then I'm getting 3 over 2 times 2 over 3x. So when I distribute to 3 over 2 this negative 2, I'll be getting negative 3 over 2 times 2 positive 3. So this 3 will cancel out, this 2 will cancel out, and here 2 will cancel out. So I'm just getting x over here, and here I have negative 3 positive 3. So this negative 3 positive 3 will cancel because it will become 0, and I'm just getting x. So I'm getting f dot g and g dot f. F dot g and g dot f, both of them are equal to x. So as instructed in the question, so I have shown that the results of both f dot g and g dot f are equal to x. So the given two functions f of x and g of x are inverses to each other.